Hi there, this is Dave, and I really want to thank you for your interest in this set of videos that I've put together on Microsoft Access. But not only do I want to thank you for your time and your interest, but I also want to congratulate you on taking that first step to explore something new, possibly go a different direction in your career, just opening up your mind to new thoughts, new ideas. That's really what this series of videos is about. Is just to try and get your mind thinking about different things and maybe get you out of your comfort zone a little bit, but then introduce some concepts, some perhaps ideas that you may have thought too complex to learn. I'm hoping to break those down for you into more simpler terms to kind of give you the feeling that, you know what, this isn't as complicated as I always thought it would be. And then hopefully from there, give you skills that you can then transition to either new career opportunities or even to incorporate into your own work today to perhaps make it a little easier for you to stand out on your team, to provide more value to your team. All of these ideas are what I'm trying to convey with this set of videos. So once again, just want to thank you and congratulate you for taking this step. And without any further ado, let's jump right in to Microsoft Access. So depending on what version of Microsoft Access you have installed on your machine, the icon might look a little different. This is what the icon looks like for Access 2016. Some older versions of Microsoft Access, the icon it also has this red color, but there's like a key in it or what have you. I'm sure you're very familiar with the icon. I'm sure you've seen it before. But like many of us, uh, we see that icon and just kind of breeze by it because we don't know what this piece of software does or what it's for. And that's what I'm hoping to change. So with that, let's go ahead and just launch Microsoft Access and see what happens when we open it up. All right, so now we have Access open. And when it opens, depending on the version you have, your screen may look a little different, but the concept is pretty much the same. And this is where some people look at this and they're like, well, okay, now what? Because unlike with Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word, when you open those up, they tend to look very ready to go. You know exactly what to do when they open. With Access, you kind of open it up and now you have more options. So kind of just glancing through the options they give you after you open the application, you have some choices. You can create a blank database. You can create a custom web app. You can launch some pre-built templates. Now you may be familiar with templates for Word or for Excel, perhaps. Access has those as well, and a template would be an out-of-the-box, ready-to-go, complete database with full functionality to do certain tasks and what have you. They give you some templates already to go to get you up and running if you want to use kind of a pre-built application. And that's what you'll see as you scroll through here are pre-built templates. And you can scroll through and see all kinds of things. But for our purpose, what we'll want to do is to create a blank database. So let me go ahead and launch that. When you do that, the first thing it asks is, okay, you want to create a blank database. Where should I save it? This would be similar wherever you would save your spreadsheets and Word docs or what have you. I'll go ahead and just save it to my desktop. Give you a default name of database, whatever. You can call it whatever you like. This will be my test database. And then I'll hit create. And voila, I get this screen. I have one tab open that says Table 1, and what you see here is a field that says ID and another field that says click to add. So I know at this point you may have been hoping for a little bit more when this opens up, But really, when you open up a blank database, that is what you get. You get a blank table that opens up. Nothing else over here. This is what they call your object panel. You see there's nothing in here, and as we continue this series of videos, you'll see how we'll create many items over here. But for starting out a blank database, we have accomplished that. You've opened up the application. So that for many of you, this may have been the first time you've even gone this far. So congratulations on making it through your first video with me on Microsoft Access. We have much more information to come, so until then, take care, and I'll catch you next time.